So, what would it take to make Mars habitable? Turning a frozen, radioactive desert into a place where humans could walk outside without dying in 60 seconds? It sounds impossible. But science says, maybe not. The only problem? It would take centuries, billions of dollars, and someone crazy enough to try it. Oh, great. Timmy's back. Didn't you just drown in the ocean last week? Like, actually drown? And now you want to terraform an entire planet? Sure, why not? What could possibly go wrong? Alright, let's break down how you turn Mars into Earth 2.0. Month 1. Step 1. Survive the first week. Timmy lands on Mars with a few robots, solar panels, and enough freeze-dried snacks to hate food forever. Life is confined inside high-tech bubbles where the air is recycled, the water comes from melted ice, and going outside means instant death. Welcome home, Timmy. Year 1. Robots start building greenhouses, mining stations, and solar farms. People are still stuck indoors, farming potatoes and avoiding cabin fever. Outside, it's still colder than your relationship with Mondays. Year 10. Now we heat things up. Literally, giant orbital mirrors reflect sunlight onto the surface, slowly warming Mars. Temperatures rise a few degrees. Still freezing, but now it's insanely cold instead of instantly fatal. Year 50. Terraforming factories begin pumping greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Yes, we're doing to Mars what we accidentally did to Earth, but this time we're actually trying. Year 100. The atmosphere is thicker and traps more heat. You can't breathe it yet, but now you could step outside with just an oxygen mask and thermal suit, and only mostly freeze. Year 200. Massive ice deposits melt, creating lakes and rivers. Scientists release genetically engineered plants that don't die in Martian soil. The sky? Still dusty, but now it has a hint of blue on a really, really optimistic day. Year 500. Forests begin to grow. Tiny life forms start creating oxygen. Timmy, meanwhile, is still trying to invent Martian pizza. Priorities. Year 1000 plus. Finally, Mars has lakes, rivers, breathable air, sort of. You could walk outside with nothing but a jacket and a breathing mask. There are forests, maybe animals, and sunsets that would make Instagram jealous. So yes, we could terraform Mars if we don't wipe ourselves out before finishing the job. But seriously, shouldn't we fix Earth first? Just saying. If you enjoyed watching Timmy try to build an entire planet, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who thinks terraforming Mars is something you could finish in a weekend. See you in the next video.